The Norwich Historical Society was founded to preserve the history of Norwich and Norwich Township. And we also teach them about dairy's heritage in the county. Little kids are very interested. What you try and get little kids to do is to guess what things are. Normally they're fascinated. The really big fascination from the kids comes during the churning, when you start to see the yellow butter first appearing in the milk. Suddenly there's this bright other colour in there. They start to see that there's something else going on there, they start to feel the resistance, and they really notice that what they have done has created something new. So it helps with the appreciation of where food comes from and where it has come from in the past. And the experience really allows you to interact with history in a way that you don't normally get to do in a museum.
Just took a bite. Nothing.